guys, it's day 2 of learning Python building 30 projects. Let's make a number guessing game. Here we go. First, import the random number and set the range. Initialize attempts. Now start a while loop. Take user input and validate. Check the range and compare a guess. Lastly, if guess number is correct, end the game. Let's run and correct some errors. Correct the error of attempts. Yahoo done. Thank you for watching. Let's continue day 3 with rock, scissors, paper game. Stay motivated. Bye.